everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena, and in today's video, oh my god, we're gonna be talking about empties. Honestly, I wanted to start doing these videos about 2 years ago because that's when I started to collect my empties, and today I'm just gonna show you here, guys, because I can't even leave this box. It is literally a Walmart moving box full of empties that I started to collect back in 2022. So about 2 years of empties. I don't even know how many products I have to show in the video to catch up and finish this box by the end of 2025, but we're gonna start doing it now. And yeah, just so you know how crazy I am about collecting things. If I collect something, I have to have everything about it. So in this box of empties, guys, I'll try to lift it. Okay, let me try to lift it first. Maybe I can. Oh, okay, so there it is. This is the box. That's how I'm gonna keep filming. Honestly, for me, these empties are not just an empties anymore. It is the whole story behind of every single product that I've used, because back in the time when I started to collect all these things, I used to work at Sephora. I started my beauty blog and I didn't know where all this is gonna go, and today I'm here. So I have a lot of memories in this box, as well as a lot of products that are my favorites, a lot of products that I already purchased 2 or 3 times, and probably all the empties are there still. I literally have their skincare, makeup, hair products, fragrance, samplers. I'll try to pick one product of each category or something I like, so let's just go. And the first empty I see, it is literally my favorite exfoliator by Paula's Choice. I learned a lot about this product when I was working at Sephora. Honestly, I didn't even hear about the skincare brand before, and I learned so much about it. And now I understand why everybody is so obsessed. So yeah, I believe this product actually started my professional daily skincare, I would say. It's on top 100 skincare of all the time by Women's Wear Daily magazine, I believe. Something like that. It works great for all the skin types without any irritation. The BHA formula is very gentle here, but in the same time, it cleans up the pore, it's brightening your skin, soothing and smoothing, and it's safe to use on your daily basis, and it's also the leave-on exfoliator. So definitely a must-have in every girl's skincare collection. The next one is gonna be Makeup Forever, which is Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. Mine was always in the shade Y235, which is a little bit of like yellowish undertone. Yeah, you can see it's empty. I'm not lying to you. I already have another one and another one on my collection again, because this foundation, I'm sorry, it's a little dirty because I haven't opened this box in 2 years. So don't blame me. I'm literally just throwing the stuff there, but I'm not cleaning it. So yeah, so this foundation, first, it's been always my lifesaver. I don't know how Makeup Forever is doing their foundations and powders and all the products I'm obsessed with, but this specific foundation, out of all the powdered foundations that I have, this one is the best for me. Like literally, it saves me when I travel or when I'm out of town or any kind of like emergency. If I only have 5 minutes before I have to leave the house, this is perfectly evenly smoothly covers my skin. And I don't know how, but even without my skincare or any primer, it still looks good on my skin. I mean, normally you should do any skincare before you apply your makeup, right? But I'm talking about like emergencies. This is the lifesaver. I really appreciate this product, and I'm so happy they created this product and it exists in the market, because I don't know how to live my life without it. I always have it in my purse. Ooh, the next one is fun. It's Sephora Collection Dry Shampoo, and it still, remember, it doesn't smell anymore, but it smells, oh, it's not even empty yet. Okay, it probably is. But First of all, let's talk about this packaging. I think Sephora collection does a really good job about designing all their products, and that was actually the main reason why I purchased it. But also I believe it was one of the saving events when all the Sephora collection is discounted by 30 or 40%. You should know better by now, but back in the time when I was working at Sephora, I believe we had the 40% off for all the Sephora collection products. And honestly, I did enjoy this dry shampoo. I believe it was only $15 and it was doing a job beautifully, just like those $30 plus dry bars and Moroccan oils that I used before. I think it doesn't last that long. It looks like a big bottle, but it doesn't last that long. I remember that. I just opened Sephora website and guess what? They don't even have this dry shampoo on sale anymore. I don't even see it out of stock. They completely stopped doing it. So I believe it was about 2 years ago the last time I purchased it. And Sephora collection, please bring this back because that was a great value and still great product. I remember the smell still. It doesn't smell anymore here, but I'm upset now. I'm gonna use dry shampoo a lot more often if you bring it back to the market, please. Yeah, I told you I was even saving the samplers. And this one is by Grande Cosmetics. It's the Grande Revive Brightening Eye Cream with blue light protection and wrinkle defense. I know for sure I never purchased the full size, but let me take a look if we still have it on sale. So yeah, they have it on sale and it's $39 at Ulta. I couldn't find it at Sephora. Oh well. I remember that my skin under my eyes was absolutely beautiful, hydrated, depuffed, and bright. So I kind of want to get back and find this cream at Ulta and get the full size and use it. So I'm glad I started this video set because I can find a lot more samplers here. Not good for my budget, but I still have a good memory, so that's good. Oh my God. It's so much stuff here and a lot of mess. But you know what it smells like? Like this whole box, it smells like Sephora warehouse and I miss the smell so much. I swear I really would love to go back working at Sephora, but only in the condition with that team that I used to work with. If you guys are watching me now, because we're still friends with some of them, if you guys are watching me now, you better comment this video. I miss y'all, I really do. It's been a while. I feel like if our team is gonna get back working at Sephora, because right now everybody's like so different and grown now and a lot less people work in the beauty industry compared to where we started. So yeah, but you guys are very supportive all the time. Sending you much love. Okay, I'm not gonna go too far. Let's talk about this Aveda Blue Malva shampoo for blondies. As you can tell, I'm not blonde anymore, but I was blonde for more than 3 years, I believe, and I tried a lot of different purple products for my hair, for my blonde. And let me tell you, this one was the worst. Remember this brand, just remember, I know they have the whole stores and I have no idea how they're making the business. I really don't know what is wrong with them, but I remember the story behind this. So that was the first time I was coloring my highlights. I think I just wanted to add more highlights, and that was back in Charlotte, North Carolina, as well as where I used to work at Sephora. And I found this salon. It was a recommendation from friends. I went there and they actually made me purchase these from the salon, and I also had that shampoo for about 2 years, and I was just like, I didn't want to throw it away because I spent money for it, but at the same time I did not want to use it because it didn't do anything to my hair. It was actually making it more dry. Like obviously when you do highlights, when you blonde your hair, you burn it, so you do need extra hydrations, extra masks, conditioners, we all know that. But this shampoo specifically itself was making my hair absolutely super dry, like super dry. I don't know. If I go to the salon where they have this line, I would never do my hair there. It's just my honest opinion. Oh, you guys, you're not gonna believe what I found. Okay, are you ready for this? This is how much I love eyebrow pencil from Benefit. But actually, it's all different shades too. Yeah, pretty much all of them. You know, because back in the time I used to work as a makeup artist sometimes, so I did have a couple extra shades, but mostly all this is mine, and I probably have 1, 2, 3 more that I'm using right now. First of all, it's $125 here and another $75 there. Yeah, just for eyebrow pencil. Yeah, if you love them and if you purchase them all the time, it lasts me over a month of using. I'm talking about when I'm using it every single day, like 5, 6 days a week. This and my eyebrows, no matter what, if I'm not wearing the makeup at all, I'm still doing my eyebrows at least a little bit. So I do use these products a lot, and I just think this is a little too pricey. However, I understand that the formula is amazing. I love how many shades they have. They have literally every single shade for every single, you know, brow type, brow color and everything. So I appreciate these products. I love Benefit. Oh, I just threw this out a few days ago, and it's not even empty. It's like half full. But the reason I can't use this anymore, it's because I think it's expired. It doesn't smell as good as it used to be. So this is the Lush lip scrub. I don't know if you heard of Lush, but Lush is extremely popular. I think you know about this brand. However, the lip scrubs are so good. I literally love every single taste, and they have a bunch of different tastes there. The last one I had was cherry, and I feel bad that I didn't use it enough. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it smelled the same when I purchased it. I think it's just because all this is organic and natural products. That's why it doesn't last too long. It was expired in May 2023. When did I purchase it then? I didn't think it was that old. So yeah. Now you know, if you want to purchase Lush, you better use it day to day because it's organic and you better use it. Don't wait like I was waiting another year until I throw it away upset because I only use it halfway and just now found out that it was actually expired. I'm sorry. I love you, Lush. I'm gonna go for another one soon. Okay, guys, so we got 7 products here today, and I think that's a good start. I don't want to overwhelm you with everything I have in there because it does feel a little bit stressful to me because I don't know how many more videos I have to make to finish this box because constantly I'm adding more products and you don't even want to see my bedroom right now. So it's going to be a lot more empties, and I don't want to make it this boring like it was this first time. In the next empties, I want to do some more fun stuff for you guys, more stories and more memories to bring up. So probably it won't be just like random picking. Maybe I'll do the categories and it's going to be more fun to watch and explore the products with me as well. However, I'm open for the ideas of new empties right now. For right now, I only have 2 ideas, is empties and tea. So we're going to be talking about the empty products, but also gossiping around the brand and how we feel about it, or maybe just like the random story gossips. I don't know, you pick. And the next one is behind the empties, which is pretty much what I did today. If you want me to talk more about the products, you want a more detailed look inside of the products and inside of the brands, I would like to do this kind of research investigation. I cannot wait to show you more of these goodies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.